This is a piece of our custom PCBA. What can it be used for? Add screens and buttons to it, and see what happens. Yes, it's a stream dock now, which is great, right? Do you like keyboards with LCD screens? It's cool. If you prefer a larger screen, we can provide that too. Isn't it a great design to integrate the stream dock into the game capture card? You'll even see it on docking stations, power banks, chargers, and computer cases. Yes, we're about to do that. By the way, we also have a Wi-Fi version. Your smart home can also be controlled with it. Fantastic PCBA, we can provide it. Let me know what you think.